I'm barreling down the highway right now. It's 65 miles per hour, and this is how much I can see. The sun is coming up, and there's more light from the sun than is coming from my car. This is the brights. It's a lot better, but this is regular lights, and this is nothing. Let me turn these off. It's almost as good as not having any lights at all. This is nothing, and this is with lights. We're gonna fix this problem with like a $40 fix. All right, go inside your car, pop the hood. All right, let's take a look at the headlights that we have. This is a very popular brand. It's one of the leaders of headlights on Amazon and all the other popular websites. You can pretty much find any bulb you need for your car, so just look on their website or Amazon. It'd be super easy to find your bulb. This is what the kit includes. So on some cars, if they're older, you might have to get a decoder thing, because if you ever saw someone's lights flickering on the road, they had bright LEDs, you need this thing to make that stop. So you contact them if you have blinking lights. Usually you don't, but if you do, you're gonna have to contact them to get just this thing that you plug in before the headlight. New gaskets, some sticky tape and zip ties in case you need it. There's a manual for how to put them in. There is a certain way you have to put them in for optimal, so you don't blind people on the road. And this is what your lights look like. They also come with a 1-year warranty, so you don't have to worry about any issues with them. You can get an easy replacement. And these guys are beautiful. So very easily plug into the old system. They look super cool. This motor, this fan has a 12,000 RPM speed, so you'll barely even hear them. The only information you really need to know about these guys is that you want to keep these chips when you put them in. This is the chip right here. You want to keep these at 3 and 9 o'clock if you're looking at a clock. So straight up and down like this when it's done. That provides the best beam pattern, but if you shine this at night and you don't like the pattern, you can just adjust it a little bit. So we should just have to locate our low beam headlight. If you have a 2 headlight system, you might want to get 2 of these guys, because your bright's going to be less bright than your low. But I'm going to be replacing the low. My low beam is right here. What simple thing you can do is turn your lights all the way on, force them on with the car off, and you can see which one's your high and low beam. So I'm going to turn it to the left, pull out my old, I'm going to unclip my old bulb. Alright, here's my old one. Take a look at it. If you are confused if the light that you're looking for will fit your car, just look at the bulb on your car and you should be able to just match it up with whatever number it says on here. This one's HB4, so you just want to match it up with whatever's on the car. Now take one of your LEDs and we're just going to simply plug it in, but I'm going to put it in the car first. Turn it until it goes all the way to the right. Alright, turn it all the way to the right and check inside your headlight to see if the chip is facing up like this, how I showed you, and mine is. So now you just take your original plug, let me show you. Now you just take the plug from your new LED light, this guy, and we're going to plug it into the white one. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. This one's a little bit more difficult to get to for me, but I don't need any tools still. A lot of you will have an air box there that you're going to have to take out, but other than that, shouldn't be any issues. Just requires like maybe a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver, and you're good to go. So through the top. She's unplugged. Now take your new one. It's really simple. This takes like 10 minutes. Find the hole in your headlight. Put the new one in. Good to go. Now take the black plug, take your new plug and just plug it into the old one. And that's it. That's literally it. Your new lights are in. Now let's see what they look like in daylight. Oh my gosh. They look great. Check that out. New, modern, white headlights. Now let's go test these out at nighttime. 1, 2, 3, make it dark. I had such a hard time finding a street with no street lights, but this is the closest I could get. Let's see what the after is. After putting these headlights in, let's see what it looks like. Oh my gosh. It lights up. It's so bright that the camera isn't even picking up how far it lights up. It's showing a, let me see if I can lower the brightness a little bit. This is quite a lot better than the old lights, and it was only like 40 or 50 bucks. These aren't brights. They're not these are low beams. So if you put these as brights, it would be even brighter. But of course you don't want to have super bright lights that are blinding people, because that's dangerous to drive. This video shows exactly how easy it is to install this product to dramatically increase your safety of driving at night. These headlights allow you to see great distances in front of you so that you can be prepared for anything that hops in your way. If we think about the cost to benefit ratio of putting these guys on your car, super quick to install, super cheap price tag, and even cheaper if you check out the description, got a little something in there for you. And it greatly improves your vision at night. So again, if you are interested in these lights, there will be a code in the description that you can use to get a discount on it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, leave a comment about what you liked about the video. Consider subscribing for more content like this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.